Bitcoin is just booming up, and just by answering some very simple questions, you could be making some good Bitcoin money. How this is gonna be is all what is going to be explained step by step in this video. So keep watching this video till the end. The first thing you need to do is press the subscribe button as well as the like button so that we may get recommended to more and more people who are interested in make money online. Now let's jump into the content. You just need to go to this website which is known as Coinbase. Now the thing you have to do is go to this website Coinbase and create a cryptocurrency wallet, that is a wallet for which you are going from in which you are going to store your Bitcoin. Okay, this is very important because if you don't have a wallet you cannot have any Bitcoins. Okay, so this is the first step which you need to complete, and this is really very necessary. If you don't do this step and skip this step, you won't be able to receive the money in your Bitcoin wallet. Okay, so this is the first thing which you need to complete, and this is really very simple. All you need to do is come to this website, provide your email, password, and you just have to click here on sign up. If you don't have an account, you just need to write your first name, your last name, your email, and choose a simple password. Okay, so once you do this, you are now just ready. So now once you have completed your first step, you just need to come to this website which is known as Bitcoin Get. Now you can see this earn Bitcoin by taking surveys, completing some simple little jobs as well, and many much more tasks are available over here. You can see it's fast and it's free and it's fun. Okay, so it's really interesting. Okay, so if you don't have and you can see that if you haven't created, you can just create a Bitcoin address on Coinbase. Okay, so once you have done it, just paste your coin address over here. Okay, so these are some of my coin addresses, so you can just paste your coin address and just click on this green button. Once you click on this green button, you will be directed to a page where you will be given all these surveys, and you just have to complete small tasks and earn all this awesome amount of money. Definitely go and take action because this is something which is really simple and really easy, and all of you will be willing to do it, and everyone wants Bitcoin nowadays. So definitely go and take action on this, as well as press the like button. So you can see here a like button is available, which I absolutely love. So you can just press the like button, smash the subscribe button.